Ever wondered how your messages stay private online? Or how your bank info doesn't end up in the wrong hands? The answer is encryption. And today, we're breaking it down. Simply, this is how encryption works for beginners. Encryption is like turning your private message into a secret code. Only someone with the right key can unlock it and read what you said. Let's say you text a friend, "Meet me at 7. Before that message leaves your phone, encryption scrambles it into something like XJ39N, totally unreadable to anyone else. Only your friend's phone, with the right decryption key, can turn that back into "Meet me at 7. Without encryption, every time you send a password, bank detail, or even a meme, someone could steal it in transit. Encryption protects you from hackers, identity theft, government surveillance, and even data breaches. It's like locking your digital front door. There are two main types of encryption: symmetric and asymmetric. Symmetric encryption uses one key for both locking and unlocking. It's fast and great for big chunks of data, like encrypting files on your computer. Asymmetric encryption uses two keys: a public key to lock the message and a private key to unlock it. This is how secure messaging apps and websites work. Anyone can send you a message, but only you can unlock it. You've probably used encryption without even realizing it. WhatsApp, Signal, iMessage all use end-to-end encryption. HTTPS websites, the little padlock icon in your browser, VPNs, encrypt all your internet traffic. Even your Wi-Fi password uses encryption. Technically, yes, but it's insanely hard. Modern encryption uses complex math that would take even supercomputers billions of years to crack. That's why the weakest point is usually you, reusing passwords or clicking shady links. Encryption protects data, but it can't fix bad habits. Encryption is one of the most powerful tools keeping the internet safe, but it's not magic. By understanding how it works, you're one step closer to protecting yourself online. If this helped you understand encryption, hit that like button, subscribe for more beginner-friendly cybersecurity tips, and drop a comment if you want us to cover VPNs or firewalls next. Stay safe, stay private. See you next time.